Hi, I'm the Grow Boss. I write the Grow Book and Equipment Guide. And if you want to know what the best products for rooting and growing your cuttings and clones are, all you have to do is keep watching this video. But if you want to see the proof of what I'm about to show you, then you need to click the link or watch the Great Root Race, a 5-part series where we actually mix and use the biggest root boosting products you see on the shelves of your local hydro store. That way we can see once and for all what really blows your roots up.
Okay, this is episode 1, week 1, day 1 of the Great Root Race. And as you can see, it was specifically designed to test all the root boosting products that you see on the shelves of your local hydro store. And we did that by starting 12 trays of 50 basil seeds and Root Riot starter plugs, and then carefully watering and recording everything that happened and reporting on it to show. And this is week 2, episode 2, day 14. And this was technically their first feeding. And just look at Great White in tray 4 and Orca in tray 6. Then in episode 3, week 3, day 21, we fed them for the second time. And you can see how much bigger the Great White and Orca trays are than the control tray. Look how good those starts look. And look how good those roots look. Okay, and this was episode 4, week 4, day 28, and this was our third and final feeding. And again, look at the difference in those roots. And check out how much thicker and bushier the Great White and Orca starts are than the control tray. Crazy, right? And all that brings us to the final episode, episode 5, week 5, day 35. And this is really where it all comes together. Just look at the difference between the Great White and Orca trays and the control tray. Fucking believable, right? Because whether you believe growing is about the nutrients or the lights or your friend's secret sauce, I think we can all agree that plants with roots like these will outgrow plants with roots like these every day of the week, veg or flower.
And if you want to find the closest hydro store that sells Great White, Orca, and other plant success products like mycorrhizite for your media or jellyfish for transplanting cuttings, or you just want more information about my book, the Grow Book and Equipment Guide, you can click the link in the video or visit thegrowboss.com. And remember, Great White products blow your shit up.